Before the video actually starts, I wanted to let you know that my voice recorder had some issues and I didn't want to refilm the entirety of the video, which would have taken me 2 hours or so. Ironically, this happened on a microphone review, so this is what it sounds like without any hitches. Please enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Levi and welcome back to another video. Before we get started, I just wanted to say a massive thanks to all the brand new subs. We're growing the channel incredibly quickly and it's only a matter of time till we hit 1,000 subs. And when we do, I'm gonna be doing another giveaway. So keep an eye out on my Instagram and YouTube channel if you want to get involved in that giveaway when we hit 1K subs. So I've been using the blue Snowball mic for about 10 months now. Not only was it a fantastic price, it exceeded my expectations in terms of audio quality. The voiceover you're actually hearing right now is from the mic itself, so hopefully you're already impressed. I bought the mic for around 80 New Zealand dollars at the time, but it is available on Amazon for 66 at the moment, which is actually insane. It has a cardioid pickup pattern, which put simply just means that it's designed to pick the sound up from the very front of the microphone and not anywhere around the back. Whether you want this mic to talk on Discord or if you actually want to use it for voice recordings, it will do itself justice. Now you don't need to do this, but I do use the free program Voicemeeter Banana to make the mic sound even better. All I do is turn the compression up. You can change this to whatever you want, but I usually choose around 1.5. And then I also select the equalization on the right. This improves the overall sound quality and gains. I also want to note how awesome the design is. The color options are matte black or glossy white. I have the glossy white. It's super clean, minimalistic, and you'd have to have a really retarded setup to make this thing look bad. The mic comes included with this plastic stand, which is fantastic, particularly if you don't want to spend any money over the top. I personally bought a $20 microphone arm just because I prefer the flexibility with the positioning of the microphone, and of course you have nothing intrusive on your desk while gaming. The blue Snowball has a thread on the bottom which can be used with any microphone arm or stand out there. The included printer cable is a silvery clear color and it's 1 meter in length. A bit longer would have been appreciated, but the stock one gets the job done. Other than that, there isn't anything else in the box. No drivers. It's all plug and play. And I think that is exactly what the microphone was built for. With condenser mics, you need an audio interface that supports 48 volt phantom power. You also generally need to play with tons of settings to get the best sound quality out of them. This isn't a major problem or anything, but they really don't need it to be that complex. You can literally have this thing set up within less than a minute. Just plug it into your computer USB port and you have a fantastic sounding mic fully functioning. There isn't all that much more to say about it, to be honest. It can be used for almost any style of recording, whether that's for a podcast, vocals, voiceovers, or even Discord calls. I would buy this thing again in a heartbeat and I recommend it to everyone who is looking into buying a mic. Now before I end the video, I just wanted to give a shout out to Rod Adib. Go check out his channel. He just started on YouTube in the last couple of months and he's already on 700 subs, already beating me. But what if I told you he is giving away 10 pairs of AirPods Pro? That's absolutely insane. I was skeptical at first, but I actually realized he's totally legit and he's going to be giving them away on his channel once he hits 1K. So go chuck him a sub and I'm sure he'll appreciate it just as much as you will if you win the AirPods Pro. Now thank you again for watching the video. I hope it was informative and you learned something, or I just helped you out in some way. If you have any questions or feedback, make sure to put a comment down below, like the video if you enjoyed it, and of course subscribe if you like the content and want to see more of it. I've got a few awesome videos planned for the next few weeks, so make sure you keep your eyes peeled for more. See you in the next video.